So here I have a sample assessment that I want to differentiate and give to different students. So I'm going to start by going to the gear to the right of the assessment, and I'm going to choose Save to Resources. That's going to leave my original assessment here in my course. You may optionally have collections set up inside of your resources that allow you to add to them, but you can just save that directly into your resources in your home collection. There's no need to set up folders if you don't like. These can be changed at any time. So if you wanted to create collections, you could do that up here with these little file drawers, but otherwise that's all going to show up here in your home resources. So once you find that, you can open up that assessment. And from here, I can go in and I can edit. So for example, I could remove a question by using the three dots. Here, I can come in and alter the choices on this. So I can eliminate choices here. And then when I want to send that back, I'm going to use the actions gear to add this back into my course. So then I'm going to select the course. Okay, and at this step, we can literally choose what folder, what the due date is, your max points, whatever you want. You can set that up now. All right, and that's going to be back in your course. Okay, when I copy something into a course, one at a time, it is going to put it at the bottom of whatever folder, or if outside of a folder, it's going to be the last one. And then at this point, you're going to rename this, right? Because you don't want it to have the same name. You can come in here and differentiate this somehow. Some people like to use a star or a dash or something to set it apart, but we want to make it different in some way so that we know it's not the same as before. Okay, so by doing things like this, it kind of tells you something, it gives you a message without really alerting to the kids that something different is happening. So then after that is changed, all right, then we can go in and we can individually assign that as well. All right, so we have a new name, and then at the bottom, we're going to assign this just to the students who need it. And as we talked about before, you can assign them individually here, or if you have them in a grading group, you can assign it to that group. The last thing you're going to do is go back to your original assessment, and you're going to individually assign this to the rest of the class or the students who did not get that differentiated assessment. So you're going to go back to the original and you're going to go to individually assign, and you're going to select any groups or individuals that need access just to the original. This way, each kid only gets access to one assessment. And hit save.